that the bill further to amend the Income Tax Act 1961 and the Finance Act 2012 be taken into consideration. As opening remarks on the reason why we are coming up with this bill, I would like to say a few words, sir. The issue of levying income tax on income derived from the transfer of Indian assets through the transfer of shares of a foreign company was a subject matter of prolonged litigation, sir. In 2012, the Supreme Court ruled that such income is not taxable under the existing provisions of the Income Tax Act. Consequently, the Finance Act of 2012 amended the Income Tax 1961 Act with retrospective effect to clarify that such income is taxable. The Finance Act 2012 also provided that the demand raised for this income shall be valid even if the said demand have been struck off by the courts. So what has happened is, sir, this retrospective tax was brought in as a clarificatory amendment. However, there has been quite a lot of disagreement for this measure, and even as we were in the opposition, we had very clearly raised this objection, saying this is bad in law and also bad for investor sentiments. After coming into power in 2014, led by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley in 2014 clearly made a commitment here in the House that we do not believe in applying the law in retrospect, and we would certainly form a high-level committee which will look into all such cases. And I'm happy to say between 2014 until today, the high-level committee has dealt with this matter, and we have not had one claim based on the amendment made in 2012. However, for the cases which have been prior to 2012, for which it was in retrospectively applied, 17 such cases are there, and of them 2 went to the court which were stayed. The claims could not be pursued further, but 2 other cases in which Government of India actually couldn't win the case, and therefore the arbitral awards were announced. Now therefore, we have waited, as was committed by the then Finance Minister late Shri Arun Jaitley, that in principle we don't believe in this. However, we couldn't act on it even at that time in 2014 because there were 2 cases going on, and the Finance Minister then, Shri Jaitley, had very clearly said, we'll wait for them to reach the logical conclusion. And the logical conclusion was reached in September 2020 in one case, and in December 2020 in the other case. Those cases were in detail studied by the government, by the law department. Consultations were held with the AG, and because the budget session was also contracted, we couldn't take up more activities then. We have come to the next available session, which is the monsoon session, which is now, to keep up the word given by the former Finance Minister Shri Arun Jaitley under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, keeping up the commitment of BJP that we don't believe in retrospective application of tax. We are fulfilling that word. जो वायदा जो हमने दिया है इस गरिमामय सदन में, उसको पूरे करने के लिए आज ये कानून का अमेंडमेंट ले आ रहे हैं। सो इसको सदन चर्चा करे और पास करने का पूरे हमें समर्थन भी दे, इसको पारित करें। थैंक यू सर।